see me?
Dad? Dad! Dad, don't die on me! Dad!
I'm sorry.
No! I gotta go. Don't die on me!
I'll see you in heaven.
No, Dad, no! No! Honey, sweep that up. Sweep the floors. Wash the car. Fine. Dad, stop. Be that way. I'm done. Look at all these spots on the ground. You clean You're up. Not my mom. Yeah, I am. Fine. Stepmother? Absolutely not. I really want to go to the ball, though. No. Fine. You're not pretty enough. I wish I could go to the ball. Who are you? Godmother. You're my fairy godmother? Yeah. I have a fairy godmother? Yeah. Cool. Yay! You could go to the ball. But I'm not dressed to go to the ball. Okay, bye. Bye. Have fun. Wow, the ball is amazing. May I have this too? Sure. It's midnight. I have to go. Oh my gosh. No, where are you going? Where are you going? She left her shoe. Who is this mysterious person? I don't have a shoe. Where'd you find it? You left it at the ball. I've been looking for you. Oh. It fits. Yay! 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 You want to go live happily ever after? Yeah. Yeah, let's go.